In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build beautiful forms quickly with Paperform in Duda. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a sleek functional form embedded in your Duda website in no time. To begin, head over to Paperform. Once you're there, navigate to the Paperform main page, and from the menu, click on Create Form. This is where we'll start crafting your form. You have the choice to either pick a template that suits your needs or to start from scratch with a blank slate. After you've set up the base of your form, it's time to add the necessary fields. Think about the information you want to collect. Typically, you'll want fields like name, email, phone number, and perhaps a drop-down for options that suit your specific requirements. Take your time here to ensure you're capturing all the necessary details from your users. Next, we want the form to be as visually appealing as it is functional. Go to the theme section and click on colors and fonts. This is your chance to brand your form, making use of the colors and fonts that align with your website's design for a seamless integration. Once you're satisfied with the look of your form, it's time to prep it for embedding. Click on Share and then choose Embed. Here, you'll want to select the option for Inline Embed. This setting will ensure your form fits neatly within the structure of your existing page layout on Duda. Go ahead and copy the HTML embed code. This is what you'll insert into your Duda site to make your form appear live. Now, onto the integration part with Duda. Head to your Duda website and click Edit. You'll be adding your freshly created form here. On the page where you want your form, add a new widget by selecting the HTML widget option. This widget essentially acts like a holder for your Paperform form. Paste the HTML embed code that you copied earlier into this HTML widget. The code acts as a bridge between Paperform and your website, allowing the form to function and appear as it should. Finally, it's always good practice to save your changes and publish them to make your updates live. This ensures that all your hard work translates into a seamless experience for your users and visitors. And that's it! You've successfully built a beautiful form with Paperform and embedded it into your Duda website, all in a matter of minutes. With these steps, you'll be able to collect data effortlessly while maintaining a professional design aesthetic that aligns with your brand. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!